Addition and subtraction of integers. The four basic operations of mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, are used in all the mathematical concepts. Wherever you need to perform any type of calculation, be it commercial, scientific, engineering, banking, or maybe even for your simple day-to-day activity, you will end up doing some sort of calculation that requires any one or more of these operations. You will recall that the absolute value of an integer is a whole number. Therefore, all the arithmetic operations possible on whole numbers can be performed on integers as well. In this section, we will look at performing addition and subtraction on integers in detail. Addition is the simplest arithmetic operation that can be performed on integers. Since integers comprise of both positive and negative numbers, therefore, the result obtained by adding two positive or two negative integers will be different. Therefore, there is a separate procedure for adding two positive integers and yet another one for adding two negative integers. Let's say we need to add two positive integers, 23 and 46. Then we write plus 23 plus 46. Absolute values are 23 and 46. Thus we have plus, and within the bracket 23 plus 46. That is equal to plus 69. That is equal to 69. Addition of positive integers can be explained by the following rule. Read the rule on the screen carefully. The rule states, if A and B are both positive or both negative, then we add their absolute values and assign the sign, that is, plus or minus of A and B, to the sum as displayed. We have worked with two positive integers. Let us now add two negative integers. Let's say we need to add the two negative integers minus 23 and minus 46. This is minus 23 within brackets plus minus 46 within brackets. On taking the absolute values, we get 23 plus 46. We add the values and affix the minus sign. We get minus 69. Observe the negative sign of the resultant when adding two negative integers. The addition of a positive and a negative integer will be handled differently. Sometimes we need to add integers with different signs. Let's say we need to find the sum of 23 and minus 69. Here one integer is positive and the other is negative. 23 is positive and minus 69 is negative. We first consider the absolute values of the two numbers. We subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here we subtract 23 from 69. Since 69 is the larger number, the answer of the operation is negative. This means we write minus 46. The result will have a negative sign as the absolute value of minus 69 is greater than that of 23. The rule states, if integers a and b are of opposite signs, then you need to subtract the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value and assign to the result the sign of the number with greater absolute value. Let's consider another example. Find the sum of 43 and minus 36. The difference in their absolute values has to be calculated. That is equal to 43 minus 36. That is equal to 7. Notice that here too we subtract the smaller number from the larger one and affix the sign of the larger number. Thus the result will have a positive sign as the absolute value of plus 43 is greater than the absolute value of minus 36. So the answer is plus 7. The properties of addition in integers are: the sum of two integers is an integer. For all integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. For all integers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is the same as a plus b plus c. The integer 0 is such that a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a for every integer a. If a is greater than b, then a plus c is greater than b plus c. If a is less than b, then a plus c is less than b plus c, a, b, c being integers.